This is a shockingly good fly pattern, and today I'm going to show you how to tie it. We'll start off with a Euro hook, along with a slotted tungsten bead. We'll start off by securing some purple thread to our hook shank before snapping the excess free. Insert some lead-free wire into your bead to help secure the bead in place, and helicopter the excess free, at which point we'll continue wrapping back towards the bend of our hook. Grabbing some rusty brown feathers, pull about 5 to 10 fibers free, and measure them to be about a half a hook shank in length. We'll then create a small buildup at the back of our fly to help splay our tail apart, before securing it snugly in place. Continue securing the feathers forward before snipping the excess free. We'll then grab some brassy wire. Here I'm using wine. Insert the wire into the bead and secure it tightly in place, continuing to wrap backwards towards the back of our fly, at which point we'll grab some dubbing. Here I'm using an ice dubbing in the color UV Dun. Create a dubbing noodle and begin wrapping this forward in close touching spirals, building up a transition as we work up towards the bead, making sure to leave a small amount of room at the head of our fly. At which point we can grab our wire and begin wrapping it forward in close touching spirals to add some durability to the back of our fly, as well as create a hot spot, before opening up our wraps in open spirals until we reach our thread. Secure tightly in place by taking thread wraps both in front as well as behind the wire and helicoptering the excess free. And of course, brush it out to give it a nice, buggy look. We'll then grab some CDC feathers. Here I'm using the color Rust. Secure it to the head of our fly, wrapping back on our dubbing slightly, before snipping the excess free and adding a single turn of CDC. A little bit goes a long ways. Secure it in place and snip the excess free. Pull everything backwards, adding a few wraps on top before grabbing some more ice dubbing, this time with an addition of some black and red fibers. We'll mix these together, creating a custom dubbing blend. Create another dubbing noodle and begin wrapping this in front of your CDC, before brushing everything out to give it a nice, buggy look. Add a bit of UV resin to our thread wraps, before whip finishing to hold it all together. Snip your thread free and zap it with a UV light. And this is the Duracell, an attractor pattern that I like to use year-round and works particularly well in dark and discolored water. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and I will see you in the next one.